Hello parents and carers, this video will take you through how to get onto your child's Google Classroom and sign up for a Meet the Teacher appointment slot. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to Google. Remember that when we're doing this, we're using your child's Edubuzz username and password. This is to keep it secure for us at school and so that any personal information can't be sort of intercepted. So please remember to log in as them or with their login details rather than using your private email account. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the Google Classroom app, and what you should have if you are P4 to 7 is a classroom that was already there from last year that the name has changed on. So P4A has become P5A and so on. If your child has moved class, for example, they have joined a composite or such like, then they might have a block which says their new class, for example, is it composite P4, 5G, but it'll say join here, like they've been invited to join it. They just need to click the join button and then they'll be added into that classroom. In your classroom, so I'm using the demo one here just to show you, the teacher should have posted by Wednesday the 25th of August a link to Meet the Teacher. There might be some information about how to book this appointment and the link below. So you just need to click on the link and that will take you to the Edubuzz calendar for your child. It will take you to the day that we are currently on. You need to use the arrows to get to the date of the appointment. So on this calendar they are on Monday the 30th of August, and you can see all the appointments here. You can see one of them is blue. I can't choose that one, someone's already booked it. All you need to do then is, if you hover over it, it can double check what time each slot is. You can also change the view to day, and that will zoom you in a bit to all the slots so you can see a little bit more clearly. Hover over it, it'll tell you what time. Pick the time you like and click on it, and it will come up like this, and all you need to do is click save, and then that one will be blocked out so no one else in the class can book it. And you can double check if that has gone through by going to the email. So go back to Google and this time click on Gmail, and you can see there's the email come in there. And again, if you're logged in as your pupil with the Edubuzz, this should all go through without you needing to log in each time. If you haven't logged in before, it will prompt you the first time to use your login details. So I can open the email and it says, there's my Meet the Teacher, yes I'm going, and all the details are there. It's important to keep that email safe, and you should be able to join by Google Meet on the day. Okay. If you have any questions or you're struggling at all, please get in touch with the school via the main office and we'll try and help you to get that all booked. I look forward to seeing you out at our Meet the Teachers.